popped out, so.
Alright, I better get an angle this way because you're going to get 600 feet, right?
Yes.
Did I say 600 or 6?
You seem to be throwing better again.
Yeah.
You're throwing flatter.
Yeah, well, it took some practice.
What, a year and a half of practice?
Yes.
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
It actually came in the fairway, though.
We're going to have a lot of Benny Hill music going on.
Right in the fairground.
Through?
No,
I can't throw that far.
sir.
It's like the worst part, too. It's
Why?
stuck behind those damn trees. Nice. I'm right in through. There you go.
There you go.
I'm going this side, right?
It's closer.
Closer, closer. Get your movie scene good.
You're being like station now. Right in the fairground.
Next to the tilt around the figure eight. The super slide.
Someone's closer.
Can't even freaking see it.
No, once it starts going way out there, you'd have to,
Yeah.
like wicked zoom to get it.